Hello guys, welcome to my channel and we are going to learn how to make aeroplane. So we need a rectangular paper. I've taken an A4 size paper, but you can take any rectangular paper whichever available. So for first step we need to find the solder side. So this one is solder side and we need to fold like this. So this is just the middle point of this length. Okay, fold it like that and move this pointer inside such that we have 1 centimeter length space here. So what I mean to say that you should have around 1 centimeter length left here. So do it like that and again follow the same method to fold the paper like this from the middle point to here. So we have a triangle here, move it inside again and our airplane is almost ready. See, just the final 2 folds are left. You need to fold it like this and both the sides. Yeah, now our airplane is ready. So please like the video if you have really liked it. Our airplane is ready to fly.